up this morning from the strangest dreams. I was in the midst of me, the world I'd ever seen. We were marching as one on the road to the Holy Grail. Started out seeking fortune and glory. It's a short song and it's a hell of a story. You spent your lifetime trying to get your hands on the Holy Grail.